Hello, my name is Kat Liffner, and today I am going to paint something. I'm using leftover paints, so we shall see how this turns out. This background paint is leftovers from my very first attempt at a cloud pour. I think I need more practice. But I have in here a little bit of satin enamel, some titanium white from Liquitex, and Floetrol and water. The ratio, I couldn't tell you. And I did add a little bit of black, a little bit of pink, and some green. And I got this kind of lovely purple. I'm just spreading it all over. And now I'm gonna just pop the air bubbles. You really don't want air bubbles in your background because it looks like little holes when it dries. So make sure you pop those and smoothen the background out. I mean, at the end of the day, you're going to blow this around with a hairdryer, so it doesn't have to be super exact. So I'm just taking some more of that background color and creating like a little, I don't know, like a path where I want the other colors to go on top of. And these colors that I'm using, they're just mixed with 2 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint, and then some water for just to kind of get the consistency that I'm looking for. The first layer here is just titanium white, and I love the way that it contrasts the background that just has a slight tint to it. So the next color is going to be a color shift by Folk Art, and it's called White Flash. Looks a little tan, but it's like a pearly white. And the next color is a mixture of DPU, yellow DPU, and fluorescent orange. It's more heavy on the yellow. And then the next one is, it's also a folk art. It's called Treasure Gold, and this color is Fire Opal. It's a metallic, and it kind of pulls a little orange, a little red, also a little pink. Maybe that's the white that I'm now putting on top. Well, actually, it's not white, it's the background. Color again. There's no rhyme or reason to why I'm doing this. I'm just usually winging it. But anyway, so I've got a little bit of the background color down, and then I'm also putting that white flash color shift down again. And the next one is 24 karat gold by Deco Art. It's the one that comes in a little jar. And then the next color is another color shift, and this one is called Aqua Flash, and it's kind of become one of my favorite colors to just kind of toss in there, because it just performs very interestingly with other colors because it is a color shift. You never know what you're gonna get. So the next one is the yellow-orange color again. And then I have a pink that I created by taking rose pink, white, and a very, very slight little dab of black. So it's kind of a grayish pink. And then this color, it's by Folk Art. It's the Treasure Gold series, and it's called Antique Copper. But it's purple. I mean, it's purple, and I love it. But it's purple, so I don't know what's up with that. I'm gonna completely butcher these names again, but this color that I just put down is Phthalocyanine. I think that's how you say it. Green and blue. And then I put a little bit of Mars Black in there. And it's a very, very dark color, but it's beautiful. So I'm grabbing my hair dryer, and I'm just going to blow over the background little mound that we put down, and just leaving like a little stripe left. I'm not blowing it all the way over on one side. I'm going over on both sides and just kind of pushing the colors together. And then the big decision, which way? So I decide to go in the middle and blow each of those lines in opposite direction. I think when doing a Dutch pour type of style, I think one of the reasons why a lot of people perhaps can't really get the results that they're hoping to get is because they're going over each area over and over and over again. And what I found is that when you go over an area that you've already blown out, it's gonna look less like a brush mark, more like little squiggly marks. And you can, if you're quick about it, you can blow some of the I don't know if that makes sense, but basically the moral of the story is try to get it all in one swoop. So I'm pretty much happy with the way that this one turned out. I just love all the bright colors, some unexpected color combinations perhaps. There's some areas of the painting where I didn't get the spread really that I wanted. So whenever I want to sort of create a little bit more body or spread some things out, I try to blow that out with a straw. You gotta be careful when you use a straw because you don't want to get spit in your painting. It's kind of like dropping a drop of water. Your paint changes consistency, and it usually will crack or give like a spider web kind of effect. So try to avoid that. So I usually will wipe off my straw here, there, and everywhere, just to make sure I don't have any spit coming out. But I'm just trying to create a little bit more interest in some of these areas. But I am super excited about this one. I don't know. There's just something that just these colors. That moment when you just say, should I just do, nope, just walk away. Nope, just walk away. Walk away. Leave it alone. And, yep, done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like what you saw today. Hit that like and subscribe button and stay tuned for the dried results. Thank you.